Hey yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Dylan Gagnon here. Today I'm gonna do a giveaway, Nerf gun giveaway. This Nerf gun comes with a nice bullet, high quality bullets actually. And it's a tiny gun.
If you want to be in it,
nice.
smash that like button, subscribe.
Yeah, smash the like button, subscribe, and comment. Comment done, and I'll do a random draw. So this is my giveaway. So hope you enjoy. See you later.